I would say to another retailer that was wanting to carry Country Chic Paint that you can't go wrong, that this paint is an unbelievable product. The people that are behind the company are like family. They just create great relationships with their retailers.
I'm really excited to see a Canadian company making such a huge impact in a North American market from the US to Canada, and I'm really excited to see a woman be the face of that company and support other women in the way that she is. It's super inspiring for me, and I love that the team of women behind her are also supporting and helping other women, and especially in Canada.
Well, my favorite part of working with Country Chic Paint as a company is, I guess, the people. First and foremost, the people. I've never worked with a company that is so in tune with the retailers and so open to feedback.
The product line itself is fantastic to work with, and they offer a huge range of application processes, from texture to crackle to paint to finishes, and it's a Canadian-made product, so I'm super supportive of Canadian-made.
The product is amazing, so easy to use. It just adheres so well to everything. I cannot tell you how much I love Country Chic Paint. It was definitely the best decision I've made for my business. I've looked into other companies, and there's no other company with a heart as big as Country Chic Paint.
I'm just proud to be a part of selling Country Chic Paint, and I'm just so happy that they allowed me to carry it in my store.